There's some big old trees. Oh my gosh. Man. Ooh-wee. She does have the distributor still in it though. That's good. They ain't extremely rusty, are they? I can't. Oh, maybe. There we go. Ready? Oof. And pull off the old starter. I'll spray them down just for the fun of it. Ready?
Yep.
I have to address before we can do that. It's out of the way and just see what she does. This truck for the time being went around on the brakes and got.
That's good there.
Good? Well guys, we actually were able to pull this one off. We hope that you guys enjoyed this video and we'll see you on the next one.